Hey you guys, welcome back to Black Nomad Diaries. As you can see, your boy's bundled up. Yeah, I'm having to wear winter clothes now. Had to break these bad boys out. It has been very cold here in West Virginia. Okay, in the last video, I left you guys off. I had just finished up hiking the Endless Wall Trail. That was absolutely beautiful and amazing. I found several amazing points where I could totally dump a dead body. That's a joke. That is a joke. A terrible joke. A dark joke. I have a dark sense of humor if you haven't figured that out yet. But yeah, tons of beautiful views. And we got here late Tuesday of last week. Well, it's Tuesday of a new week and I've been here the entire time. And I have been loving it. It is absolutely beautiful here. It's amazing, but most importantly, it is free 99. Excuse me. No, I don't have COVID. No, and I'm not getting sick. Just dry throat. I've been here at the Army campground. It is right by the New River. And so, yeah, every other day I've been going down to the river, walking around, and enjoying the views, even though it is freezing. I've put the IO pedal upgrade, or the IO pedal high throttle, to the test, and yeah, that has been keeping my house battery charged the entire time. It's been working amazingly. It doesn't burn a whole lot of fuel because I only run it for about 30 to 45 minutes in the morning and then 30 to 45 minutes in the evening right before I go to bed, just so that way the battery stays topped off and I can still enjoy my electronics, TV, gaming, the internet, stuff like that. But yeah, we've been here since last week Tuesday. I've hiked around. I've taken a couple silly photos and a couple of good photos, and I will try to post those to my Instagram. They're all pretty bad, I'm gonna be honest. Yeah. But yeah, now it's time to get out of here and move on to the next national park. I still don't know what to do with my hands. I'm gonna get fidget spinners, don't worry. But yeah, today we're heading out. Step one, go to Walmart, get a bunch of stuff that I probably don't need, but I'm gonna get for the week. And then we're gonna drive 4 hours to Virginia. I know, weird. But we're going to drive 4 hours to Virginia. And we're staying at a KOA so that way I can shower. You can't smell me, but, you know, I don't smell disgusting, but I damn sure don't smell like roses. I'm going to shower. I'm also going to cut my hair because, yeah, it's grown a little too long for me. Do laundry. Refill my fresh water. Dump my gray tanks. And yeah, clean up a little bit. And after all of that wonderful stuff, I really hope my camera doesn't fall. After all that wonderful stuff, the very next day or the day after, we are going to hike a trail. We're going to drive around the park and see what there is to see. This is the first time for me at this park. Unfortunately, there aren't any free sites near this park, and I definitely looked so that way I could stay for longer and enjoy more of the park, but I couldn't find anything free. Everything was like 40 to 60 bucks, and yeah, no, I don't need to do that. Can you see the cats? Domino being a scaredy cat as usual. But yeah, so we probably will only be in Virginia for 2-3 days. And we're going to get there sometime this afternoon. And then we're going to chill for the afternoon. And in the morning, I'll get up, hike around, walk around aimlessly like a tourist. And then the next day, we got to get on the road to Maine. That's like a 15-hour drive. I don't know how I'm going to do that one. I'm probably going to drive for 5 hours, stop, take a nap, wake up, drive for 5 more hours, and find some place to camp. Or we'll just drive. I don't know. I got to figure that one out. But yeah, for right now, I need to head to Walmart. Afterwards, we will get on the road to Virginia. And the next campground we're hitting up is Shenandoah National Park. Shenandoah? I can't say that word. But yeah, that's the next national park on this lovely road trip. All right, so I will see you guys on the road after Walmart. All right, later, y'all. Hey you guys, so as you can see, we have made it to Virginia. Went from West Virginia to Virginia. Awesome. It was a 3, maybe 4 hour drive. Not too bad. Really beautiful driving up here. But yeah, we're here. I've been here for a minute. I've set stuff up for the night, and I also took care of some chores. Dumped the gray tank, took out some trash, and dumped my cassette toilet. Sorry to have to tell you this, but no blue shit on my face this time. I know you're disappointed. Don't worry. I'm a klutz, so it's probably gonna happen at least one more time. But yeah, we're getting ready to hunker down for the night, and in the morning I will head to Shenandoah National Park. I can't say that word. I really can't. But yeah, we're going to head to Shenandoah National Park in the morning. I'm going to, I don't know, I'm going to do a lot of touristy stuff. Hike around, see what's what, ooh and ah, take a couple of pictures. But yeah, I will let you guys know in the morning. For now, I'm going to take a shower because I really need one, and probably do some laundry. But yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. Good night for now. Bye. Hey you guys, it is the next day and we are getting ready to head out and hike one of the trails at Shenandoah National Park. I got here to the KOA in Harrisonburg yesterday afternoon and started the process of resetting the van, dumping all the tanks, taking out the trash, and after that I cut my hair, and after a week of not having access to a shower, I took a piping hot shower, and man, that was life-changing. It was amazing. But I was supposed to wake up this morning at like 5 o'clock, but instead I woke up at 6 so I could head out to the trailhead that we're gonna hike today. Yeah, I'm like 2 hours behind my own schedule, but we're gonna hit the road now if my camera will work. It's acting up, so please pray for me. But we're gonna head out now. We're gonna hit the road, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the road. We gotta go. All right, see you. Okay, you guys, we are here at Shenandoah National Park. We're finally here. Whoa! This is what, the 5th National Park? Yes, 5th National Park. This is one of the big ones on the East Coast. Right now, we are getting ready to hit up the Jones Run Falls Trail. It's about 3.5 miles long-ish, and it's going to take us over a waterfall or over a stream, through the forest, and then end at a 42-foot waterfall. Hopefully, my camera does all of this justice. I'm going to take you guys with us, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the hike. So yeah, let's get to it right meow. All right, I will see you guys on the trail. Okay, we're on the right trail now. This is the Jones Run Falls Trail. Should take us to a 42-foot waterfall. Oh God, that's if I don't get lost again. The birds. Okay. I got so lost. I went back to the starting point like twice, trying to find the right trail. But we appear to be on the right trail now. Okay. Ooh, we're coming to some rocks. We're coming to rocks. So as you guys can see, this is a trail where you actually have to pay attention to where you're going. Oh God, that's wet. And right now on this portion of the trail, it's really steep, like we're going downhill. And yeah, kind of sucks. I don't know why these jagged rocks are all over here. You seeing this? Well, there's like a ton of them. You would think that the trail crews would come through and knock these bad boys out to prevent anybody from breaking their necks on them. I guess not. Yeah, we're going downhill. Look at that. It looks like there's a trail leading up that way, or leading down to this. Who knows? Probably. See, as I'm walking, I'm like warming up, which makes me think I should warm my shorts instead of my jeans. Because wearing jeans kind of sucks. But it is what it is. Jesus. Definitely get yourself some boots, hiking boots that have some good grip to them. The ones I'm wearing are pretty good. They don't do well with wet surfaces, but they do pretty good on dry surfaces. Okay. Well, I'm gonna hike down this hill, and I will get back to you guys if and when I see something cool and interesting. All right, bye for now. Okay, I had to swap out batteries, but now we're coming to a stream up ahead. I need to get some waterproof socks. I'm gonna see if I can cross this without stepping in the water, because yeah, it's freezing. One rock, two rock. Oh, that is not leveled. Okay, this is really beautiful. I gotta be a nerd and snap some photos of this. Ooh. And the key to getting great photos is to squat and try not to fall into the frickin' lake. And then definitely get the selfie. Okay, that is enough. That is enough. Oh my god. Huh, that rock splashed after I stepped off of it. Okay. And we made it. We're across the stream. Oh my god. And now we are making our way the waterfall, 42-foot waterfall. Well, no, first we're gonna walk through the forest. And after that, we'll get to the waterfall. I'm guessing this, oh yeah, this is another stream, but it looks like it's dried up right now, or the water's running underneath it. Oh. You guys like that? I hope none of you were preying on my downfall. But alright. Ooh, squirrel. I will get back with you the next time I see something cool. Okay, my camera keeps shutting off because it's way too cold, but we're moving forward and you can see all this water running down. That is not the waterfall. Don't get excited. Oh, but it is beautiful though. There's a clear point up here where we can look out at. I really wish my friggin' camera would stop dying. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, we're at the end of that little stream. Now it's going over that edge there and running all the way down. This is absolutely beautiful. And I really hope this camera is doing it all justice. Woo. I need to take a quick selfie with this. I'm so sorry. I know, I'm a nerd. Would help if I put on the forward-facing camera. All right, let's get back on that trail. Okay. Okay, you guys, we are here at the waterfall. It's absolutely beautiful and amazing. Unfortunately, my GoPro keeps shutting off because it's way too cold out here. But behold, I have given you the waterfall. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I gotta get a picture of this. And I need to take a selfie. Huh. So I know there's another trail that continues, I believe, but I believe this is the end of the James Run Trail or the James Falls Trails. I've been on this trail so long I don't forgot what it's called. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. But yeah, this is absolutely beautiful, you guys. I am gonna start hiking back. I might look around and see what's what to make sure that this is the end of it, but yeah, I believe this is it, you guys. I will see you guys back at the van. Bye. Hey you guys, oh my god, we are back at the van. I've actually been in the van for a while now, just relaxing, breathing. In order to get back to the van after being at the waterfall, we had to hike all the way back up to the parking lot. And yeah, it sucked. And it started drizzling on me, raining down as I made my way back. But yeah, I think it's time we celebrate and we cross this one off the list. Give me a second, give me a second. I found the beloved tool. And we go ahead and we scrape this one off and say that we did it. We did it. We did it. Hey. Okay, so Shenandoah National Park in Virginia. The coin did this so much better. This thing is like getting caught. But yeah, the hike was moderate, but having to come back up was really steep coming back up, and it definitely broke me off, that's for sure. And when I got back to the van, I was exhausted. I took a moment, I breathed in, I breathed out, and yeah, look at what we did. Okay, I'm sorry, my camera keeps dying. But yeah, we have knocked out Shenandoah National Park. That makes 5 national parks down. Now begins, well, I'm going to probably come back here tomorrow and look around and ooh and ah a little bit. Or I'll make my way somewhere today. But it's late in the afternoon. I need a shower. I need to do laundry. And I'm exhausted. I want to go to bed so bad right now. But yeah, pretty much tomorrow I'm gonna start making my way to Acadia National Park. It's the last national park here on the East Coast. Well, the last big one here on the East Coast. And I'm gonna knock that one out. And after that one, I need to really decide what I'm doing for the winter time. I know as far as for the channel, I want to do a Q&A because there's a whole lot of brand new subscribers and I'm really grateful for that. And I'm gonna do a Q&A and I'll make a post where you guys can submit your questions on the YouTube channel, but I'm going to do that after we knock out Acadia National Park. But yeah, for now I'm gonna end the video here because I probably have maybe 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes worth of video. Actually, I don't know how much video I have. I've been recording for the last couple of days. So yeah, there's probably several hours worth of video. But yeah, thank you so much. I think as of right now, recording this video, there's 627 subscribers. That is huge. I still don't know what to do with my hands. Here, I'll hold on to something. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers. Thank you for all the comments. I'm obviously reading them and replying to them. But yeah, thank you. Please continue subscribing. Please continue commenting and liking the videos. And yeah, I look forward to continuing this. And I still need to figure out what I'm doing for the winter. Because yeah, it's starting to get a little too cold to be out and about. And I'm not going to be able to head west during the winter because I don't want to get caught in another winter storm like I did last year. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. And I will see you guys on the road in the next video. Bye for now, y'all.